Hello everyone, Russell Wright from networkempire.com, and I wanted to make sure that everybody who already has the basic membership, and you're a basic member if you're paying $49 a month, or I believe it's $47 a month, you are already going to be grandfathered into this offer. But I wanted to make sure that you understood what you get, so I'm going to walk through everything that we're doing here. Okay, what's coming is so huge that it's hard for me even to get my head around it. Those of you who've been with us for many years, you might have a sense that you've been a part of something amazing and great. You have. What we're doing has never been done before. We have over $1 million in development, and our belief is that every human being who is trying at any level to become a entrepreneur online can have their own personal brand and SEO broadcasting system that generates massive traffic. And you've probably seen this diagram around. This is the socially activated one web ring perpetual downstream traffic system with your main money site here and all of your other traffic sites driving traffic inwards to your primary domain. Okay, I want every one of you by 2015 to have one of these and to know how to do it and to be very successful online. All of our coaching students, our certification students, this is what we teach them. Okay, so to clarify what it is that's happening, we're going to go ahead and launch the DWS Lite 5.1 single license version. That's going to be automatically included even at the $49 a month level. You only get a single Lite license with this $47 a month membership fee. I believe it's 47. Okay, look at the buy button, make sure it's going to be 47 through 49. This will now be included for all basic members. Even if you're currently a basic member, yes, you will have DWS Lite. And if you've got the DWS Legacy at 147 already, you're going to want to keep it, and we're going to show you why. Because you don't have unlimited, you're going to want to keep all the advanced aspects of Domain Web Studio. Okay, so you're also going to have this this offer that we're bringing to you right now. You're going to have the Silo plugin unlimited license. Okay. Also, do keep in mind, advanced users at 147, this DWS Lite version, you're going to have a DWS Lite version, just like you have the regular DWS, but it's going to be unlimited. It's not going to be this single Lite license. So this is why you want to maintain and keep your current membership at 147, among many, many other things. But for those of you who are thinking about upgrading to a recurring membership, I know a recurring price of anything right now in this economy is something that you really have to budget for and think about. So what we're doing is we're going to be giving you what only the $147 members are going to be getting, and that is the Pain Finder software. The Pain Finder software is currently bringing keywords and questions back from Quora and soon other applications. Okay, I'm going to show you that in a second. It's going to be $19.95 per month. And it's what I call a question curation machine. I can drive traffic from using this software in about 20 minutes, and I'll give exact instructions on how to do that. Also, we have the Google Plus RSS feed. We're going to give you one feed, and that might even grow depending upon what the membership demands. We want you all to have an unlimited Google Plus RSS feed. What this does is it turns your Google Plus feed, which you can use, turns your Google Plus account into an RSS feed, which is kind of hard. Google doesn't really like it, and there's not anything out there really stable doing it. So we have that for you. But we're also going to be throwing in all of the courses like the One Feed course and many, many other things, which we'll go over in a second. But first, let me show you what I mean by the Pain Finder and the Google Plus software that are services, software as services, or S. They're going to be located. Okay, currently, don't look at this name. Okay, because we're going to be calling it something else. Okay, it's not going to be called Carousel, it's going to be called Pain Finder. Okay, it's already working right now and I'm using it. And what this is you can, for example, I think here's one of my students drilled into this. You can drill into a particular keyword, it'll pull back the keyword and the synonyms, and it'll bring back, as you can see, the questions. Okay, and these questions, it tells you how many answers, how many views a question has had. So let's say you have a running site, like I believe this student does, long distance. And you can see that the number one question, what causes side stitch while running, and what are good ways to deal with this pain. Now when you combine this question, first of all, you've extracted the pain from the market. Okay, and you can create a blog post, and using my other methods in the curation course and in the video course, the video website silo architecture course, you can get traffic to your site in less than 10 minutes, especially when you insert a video inside your Quora account and embed this on your blog. Okay, and not only that, you're addressing something that's a major issue in the industry, and you've got them all laid out for you right in here. And this is also a part of our ISDNA, or our industry invention or invention solution method that we teach certification students. So now you've got all these questions laid out, okay, and from the most frequently asked to the least asked. Okay, what is the best backpack for running with a MacBook Pro 13? That's a different type of run. So there might be walking or running. I can speed walk 15 to 16 minutes, blah, blah, blah. So these are really specific questions that you can just crack open the dialogue. I call that question curation. Question curation is the way, when you pick questions that are congruent with your products, you can get traffic, and video, you can get traffic to the site in 20 minutes and a sale. I've had sales in less than 15 minutes by using this method, okay? This method is also made available to you in our course where I show you exactly how I do this. Okay, so we also talked about that you'll be getting the Google Plus RSS feed. When you log into the Google Plus as a service, you'll just go to your dashboard. Okay, you take your, let me go to the projects. You take your RSS feed. Okay, let me just go ahead and edit a project. Okay, all you have to do is put your Google Plus code in right here. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, and you can put the project name. You can put the author name. Here's one of my outsourcers. Okay, and you can do the Google Plus Business or Google Plus Personal. And you can even fetch your plus ones like I teach you in the micro content curation course. You can fetch posts, fetch plus ones, and then it'll turn it into an RSS feed. And believe it or not, that's fairly difficult. Most of the services out there that offer it are unstable, and we've even had a difficult time stabilizing it, and we finally did, and now it's working like a charm. So when you use this for the one feed to rule them all course, you've got an extra feed that almost none of your competition will have, and that brings us back to the courses that you get if you come in at 147 now. You can see that the one feed course is a part of the system. The content curation and syndication course is going to be a part after the 24th. Okay, the niche domination track step-by-step course, which Sue and I have worked hundreds of hours on, is in there. The affiliate domination track is there. Okay, the do-it-yourself silo structures and blog course is also there. Let's go ahead and continue going. My Google Plus course, which is in the middle of being updated, is there. Dominate your local search niche, which is Sue Bell's, is there. The Google Webmaster Tools Foundation course is coming soon. It's there. The WordPress plugins for the blog empire. This is our silo plugin, and any future plugins that we have, which we have one in development that you're not going to believe, that's going to be included, by the way. Okay, and then we also have a bunch of bonus items that I want you to know are there because they're really, really important. Live website reviews. This is a monthly webinar that we have for all students where we talk about website silo architecture. These are the same kinds of conversations we'll be having with a $2,000 a month client. Okay, we have member special offers. Okay, we have software reviews back in the box. Priceless. So we put that in there. That's my thing where I just talk about stuff, what I hate and what I don't like, what I like and what I don't like. We have new courses coming out, renovating a site, and again you can see the individual prices on here. Google Analytics Fundamentals I'm really excited about. I did not write this course. This is Sue and our outsourced team. Curation Essential courses coming out very shortly. And the Link Domination course is Sue Bell's. This is pretty cool. I'm sorry, LinkedIn Domination course. Then we have all of our webinar replays other than our monthly courses, and then our recommended third-party tools. This is where Sue and I give you the down and the dirty of everything it is that we do. So I don't even have the stacked price here, but you can see that $47, you know, even if you just came in for a couple months and read this stuff, you're getting way more value than we actually sell these all independently, okay, for that pretty regularly. Okay, so you have until around May 24th to be grandfathered into this. I really want to see you on board because the light version of the software is really amazing. I would say that the light version alone, even with a single license, is worth it. Okay, coming in at this point. For those of you who have the $147 package, you're going to have unlimited on a whole bunch of other things. We're actually going to stack more Google Plus feeds. Okay, it's going to be a whole lot more Google Plus feeds, and Also, when the Pain Finder Unlimited comes out, we're going to have that and many, many other things that you guys will get at the $147 level. Also, you're going to have a unique beta access to what we call the Network Empire software, which is the transcendent software that incorporates all of this stuff. Okay. Also, it's the $147 members that get certain discounts on Done For You, and we have a lot of Done For You products that are part of your OneWeb ring. I would like to remind all of you that we really believe that everybody has the right to build their own personal brand broadcasting network, and that's really what this entire thing is about. It's been a real challenge for us. If you guys have been around us for years, you know that definitely the team is brainiacs, and it seems like everything's disjointed for some people when they come into any one part of our network. Okay, and what they have to do to get to the center, it's like going through a maze. When they get to the center, they find out that literally the keys to the kingdom were given to them. And it's all been about getting them to this point of transaction, of understanding literally their core offering from the inside out. And so now we've got a system that people are giving us huge feedback, especially our certification and our private mentoring students, and saying they have absolute clarity on how to build an unlimited empire. And they also know what their one-line zinger, their pain killer language, their frequently asked questions, their conversion tactics, their SEO, their technical silo ranking, all of it is incorporated in one single empire. And it's taken us 3 years to get clear on how to stack this for you, and that's why over the next several weeks you're going to see us coming out of the gates with comprehensive step-by-step systems that even the language is simplified for all of us to be able to use. You're going to understand how to build any size. This empire overwhelming, if this empire is overwhelming to you, you can start with just one site, and you're still going to have all the services available to you to literally crush it on all levels of your business. All right, so I look forward. You do have until May 24th and to sign up for this. Please do so as soon as possible. If you have any questions, please contact me on Skype at ThemeZoom, ThemeZoom. We recommend that you come in quickly, and when we do have a webinar announcing this close date for the members area at this price point, we're going to change the price to $147. It's a real thing based on price because of our servers. A lot of people hit this price point and then our servers kind of get bogged down, and then we got to pay for the IT debt on that. So just know that we don't do scarcity tactics. This is just an offer that we want to make sure that everybody's been following our newsletters for the last year is able to jump in real quick before we up our price to pay for our server costs. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. I'm so looking forward to your success. May you inspire others as you are inspiring me.